Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Ktaxon full-size acoustic-electric guitar with Amp, 41-inch Basswood body guitars kit. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, there are features include premium acoustic sound. This 41-inch Cutaway acoustic guitar with experiences rich, full-bodied sound. The Basswood back and sides provide enhanced resonance and clear, vibrant tones for both beginners and intermediate players alike. Built-in EQ and cutaway design. The acoustic guitar set is equipped with an adjustable EQ that lets you tailor your sound to suit any style of music. The cutaway body allows easy access to higher frets, perfect for a full range of melodies and solos. 10-watt amp and complete accessory kit. Get everything you need to start playing right away. This set includes a 10-watt amplifier, digital tuner, capo, picks, gig bag, cleaning cloth, shoulder strap, and cable, ideal for home practice or small performances. Durability and stylish build. Crafted with a sleek, natural finish and solid construction, this guitar not only sounds great but looks impressive too. The finely crafted body is designed to withstand regular use, ensuring lasting performance and style. Perfect for any level of player. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned musician, this acoustic-electric guitar offers easy playability and professional features. It's the ultimate choice for anyone looking to explore their musical talent or their instrument collection. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.